Welcome back to Vehicle Club, your go-to channel for the latest bike news, reviews, and updates. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 T4V, the stylish street tourer that's now better equipped than ever. If you're thinking of a comfortable, capable, and budget-friendly touring machine, stay tuned because this update brings a lot to the table. Design and styling subtle yet smart changes. Hero has retained the retro-inspired look of the Xpulse 200 T4V while refining the design for 2025. The bike gets a sleeker, body-colored headlamp cowl, reworked graphics, and fresh dual-tone paint options. The stance remains low-slung with a comfortable upright riding posture, making it perfect for urban commuting and long-distance rides. Alloy wheels and a blacked-out engine finish add to the premium feel. Engine and performance refined 4-valve power. Under the tank, the 2025 Xpulse 200 T4V continues with the 199. 6 cubic centimeters oil-cooled four-valve engine, but it's now tuned for improved efficiency and smoother performance. It produces around 19.1 PS at 8,500 RPM and 17.35 Newton-meters at 6,500 RPM, delivering a punchy yet manageable ride experience. The 5-speed gearbox remains unchanged, offering crisp shifts and relaxed highway cruising. Features and comfort touring-ready. The 2025 model comes loaded with practical features. A digital LCD instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity offers turn-by-turn navigation and call alerts. There's a USB charger, side-stand engine cutoff, and a 7-step adjustable rear suspension. The flat, cushioned seat and wide handlebars ensure day-long comfort on highways or in city traffic. Ride and handling balanced for all roads. Thanks to its 17-inch alloy wheels, telescopic front forks, and rear monoshock, the Xpulse 200T offers a planted ride. It handles potholes and bad roads with ease, and the dual disc brakes with single-channel ABS provide confident stopping power. While it's not an off-roader like the standard Xpulse, it shines on tarmac and winding roads. Conclusion: a practical tourer that makes sense. With a competitive expected price around 1.45 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom, the 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 T4V is a solid choice for riders who want a stylish, comfortable, and reliable touring machine without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vehicle Club for more detailed reviews and updates on the latest bikes. Ride safe.